What's up, Gulaman? Alright, so just today, a few minutes ago, they already returned the refinement that I accidentally transferred right on the mail. No, they what they did is they sent the new accessories that has plus 15, and then I changed it back to my the accessories that I am using right now. And luckily last night we ran Freya Nightmare and I got my very first red accessory. And update to my stats. I'm having HP 373, P attack 17k, P damage reduction 230 to 22, and then my PvP damage bonus is 5300 now. And crit damage 93% and P damage 151%. Alright, and for my P damage bonus, that is because I am using Battle Rage level 3. I was lucky to get this, but if you want other stats that can boost your Royal Guard DPS build, you can go for the Deadly level 3, or if you love PvP, Sword is always the best option for that. And update to my Virus score, because of the Asian Cup website, I have redeemed some Smeldon reset and finally got my Holy Light Shield and Accurate Bash. And on my mail, as you can see, I have redeemed Starry Mora coins, and statues. I also redeemed the new statue that gives PDEF and MDEF. And finally open all the statues. And these are the levels right now. Currently I'm having level 8 and level 7, and the others are just level 0 and level 1. And actually I still have a lot on my inventory. I still have this 26 pieces of statue F. And of course on my feathers I am upgrading my divine feather that I will use for my PvP reduction, because as you know I transferred all my feathers to attack feathers. That's why I'm having a very low PvP damage reduction right now. And on my weapon I have redeemed Dark Priest card. Finally, my very first mini card. And if you're going to ask if it's going to be useful on Royal Guard, it is going to be very useful. But there is this one card that I really need, which is the Aether Orc Archer card. I don't have that yet, so my SP burn from Dark Priest card is not going to be that high. So you might want to ask why the Dark Priest card and the Aether Orc Archer card is a good combination. It is because Royal Guard uses normal attacks that crits, so every time the Royal Guards attack, it will auto cast double strife. And because the Dark Priest card SP burn from skills is a lot higher than the normal attacks, it can burn more SP. It is because you're going to have 20% chance on burning 100 SP by doing normal attacks, and from Aether Orc Archer card, since it is a skill, you're going to burn another 20% chance of burning 300 SP. Alright, so that's it for the video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.